discourse. Definition: to talk or write about a subject. Example: the teacher will encourage the students to discourse on the topic of climate change. Discover. Definition: to find information, a place or an object. Example: scientists have been working tirelessly to discover the new treatment for diseases. Discredit. Definitions: to cause people to stop respecting someone or believing in an idea or a person. Example: the journalist article gave rise to discredit the politician's claims. Discriminate. Definition: to treat particular people, companies or products differently from others. Example: it's wrong to discriminate against poor people. Discuss. Definition: to talk about the subject with someone and tell each other your idea or opinion. Example: they are about to discuss the issue thoroughly before making a decision. Disempower. Definitions: to take away someone's confidence and feeling of being in control of their life. Example: the politics were designed to disempower indigenous communities. Disengage. Definitions: to become physically separated from something. Example: he will decide to disengage from the argument before it escalated. Disentangle. Definition: to separate things that have become joined or confused. Example: the meditator has helped the couple disentangle their conflicting interests. Disestablish. Definition: to take away official support and position from organized group. Example: the movement serves to disestablish outdated institutions. Disfigure. Definitions: to spoil the appearance of something or someone. Example: the car accident has disfigured the front bumper. Disgorge. Definition: to release larger amount of liquid, gas or other contents. Example: the river began to disgorge its content after the dam has been broken. Disguise. Definition: to give a new appearance to a person or thing. Example: she has used a mask to disguise her identity at the mask point ball. Disgust. Definition: to make you feel extreme dislike or disapproval. Example: the images on the screen began to disgust the audience. Dishonour. Definitions: to cause someone or something to lose respect. Example: he felt deeply dishonored after the incident. Disillusion. Definition: to disappoint someone by telling them the unpleasant truth about something. Example: he had disillusion with their jobs after a few years. Disinherit. Definition: to prevent someone from something. Example: he has shocks to be disinherited by his friend. Disintegrate. Definition: to become weaker or be destroyed by breaking into small pieces. Example: the abandoned house began to disintegrate after decades. Dislike. Definition: to not like someone or something. Example: he disliked his new job due to the demanding hours. Dislocate. Definition: to force a ball suddenly out of its correct position. Example: the impact of the fall made her shoulder to dislocate painfully. Dislodge. Definition: to remove something or someone. Example: heavy rain managed to dislodge the soil on the hill. Dismantle. Definition: to take a machine apart or to come apart into separate pieces. Example: the workers have been instructed to dismantle the old machinery for recycling. Dismay. Definition: to make someone feel unhappy and disappointed. Example: her sudden resignations made dismay among her colleagues. Dismiss. Definition: to remove someone from their job. Example: the manager may decide to dismiss the unproductive employees. Dismount. Definition: to get off a horse, bicycle or motorcycle. Example: after the long ride, the horseman decides to dismount and rest. Disobey. Definition: to intentionally fail to do what you are told or expect to do. Example: if you had disobeyed the traffic laws, you would have faced a fine. Disown. Definition: no longer have any connection with someone that you were closely connected with. Example, the prince had decided to disown his rebellious cousin publicly. Disparage. Definition. To criticize someone or something in a way that shows a lack of respect. Example, critics often disparage new ideas before they are fully understood. Dispatch. Definition. To send someone or something to a place for a particular purpose. Example, the team had to dispatch resources to the disaster area immediately. Dispel. Definition. To remove fears, doubt, or false ideas. Example, the motivational speech has been helped to dispel their doubt about the project. Dispense. Definition. To prepare and give out medicine. Example, the pharmacist has been authorized to dispense medications to patients in need. In next tutorial, I will bring you English word meaning lesson. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest videos notification. And share my video among your friends. See you in future videos.